Hi guys, welcome to the channel. So today magva-vlog tayo. Unboxing lang guys, okay? It's not the built version yet, okay? Gagawa tayo ng ibang vlog about the built version ng gameplay na bubuksan natin. So, ayan, kita nyo na, di ba? GM3 Beam Master. So this is from the anime Build Divers after the Build Fighters, di ba? So Yuki's mobile suit. Hindi ko talaga trip long gameplay na to. Kaya lang kasi gusto ko magkaroon ng gimmick na parang alam niyo yun, ng parang brotherhood like maybe Naruto and Sasuke or Kachan and Deku, mga ganyan. Kasi meron na tayong Build Divers eh. Ayan, no? Meron na tayong gameplay ni Riku. 'Di ba? Panoorin niyo yung review and unboxing nito. Nakagawa na tayo ng vlog niyan. Kaya gusto kong magkaroon ng GM3B Master. Kasi para alam niyo, maganda sa shelf, 'di ba? Wala pa akong shelf pero maganda siya sa at least sa table ko. So, ayan, binili ko to sa Toys R Us doon sa Ayala, Cebu. So, 1.3 ang price, 1.299. So, ito lang box. Yeah. That's it. So, ang role niya kasi sa Gundam Build Divers is para siyang support, para siyang long range support kasi sniper siya. So, yep, this is the side of the box. So, there it is. Nakikita nyo, yan ang mga forma niya, hindi kasama lang stand. So, ito lang gameplay ni Riku, no? Yan. And then this side of the box from Bandai, of course. Yan. And then this side. So bubuksan na natin. Nakatape ba to? Yep, nakatape siya. Hindi ko pa ito nabuksan. So let's go. Oops. Buksan natin. Tignan natin. Ano bang ina-expect ko pala sa gameplay na to? Ina-expect ko na at least marami siyang parts kasi syempre no, nagbayad ka ng medyo may kamahalan tapos and then makapal-kapal din yung box niya, quite exceptional. Syempre gusto mo marami kang makukuhang pyesa sa binayad mo, no? Iba sa mga gunpla kit na mga tag 700 or 900. So let's open. Wow. So that's my first impression, guys. Wow. So why wow? Let's both know. Oh. May nalaglag. So what is this? Gameplay National Campaign Regulation. So sign in campaign website. Okay. So by the way, guys, this is series this is I think a 2019 series. Let's check. Okay, all right. Importante lang guys. Okay, ano bang Gunpla series to? We're running out of time. Oh my gosh, how excruciating. So ano bang series ng Gunpla to? Very important, guys. Anong year? Alright, Bandai 2018. Okay, 2018. So, masabi mong bago pa. Kaka 2020 lang, di ba? So, masabi mong bago pa. Wow. Like, mukhang maraming parts. Quite worth it. So, yan. Meron siyang pakulong ganito. Yan. So, what is this? Is this some sort of a sticker? Is this a sticker? Not a sticker. Hindi siya sticker. So, code. Ayan, nakita nyo tuloy ng code. So, hindi ko naman gagamitin to. So, use it, guys. So, yep, we had this. And then, the parts. Oh my. As expected from Bandai kits. Masabi mong awesome quality. Alright, saber transparent parts, framings, yan. this one. Yung mga parts niya quite bulky than the double O. Gundam double O. Yung mga parts niya quite bulky, makikita mo naman sa itsura niya, di ba? Should be. And then that's the first plastic frame, and then this frame, steady light. Alright. Ito yung bandang ito yung mga gray framings, and then ito yung mga PC. Ito yung mga PC, and then the dirty white colored framings, and more dirty white framings, or quite grayish white framings. There it is. So kung titignan natin, how many plastics? 1, 2, 3, 4 ba? 5. So 5 plastics. And if I am to check this out, yeah, I can say na quite worth it ng pera mo. So kung ako lang pasasabihin mo, masabi kong medyo sulit naman nung 1.3 na binayad na. So quite exceptional. So meron pa tayo sa box manual. So yep, they don't fail on printing this to us. So assembly instructions, and then the recommended tools, like this one, the nippers, right? So very important, guys, nippers, right? So meron akong tutorial sa at least mga kailangan nyo kapag mag-basic cleaning. Very important, guys. Alright, I highly suggest that do not go assembling Gunpla unless you have these tools. Alright, so here's the main manual. So yep, this is Yuki for you. This is Yuki for you, and he's Gunpla. Yuki is quite dependable, guys, sa anime. Alright, I don't want to be a spoiler, so will not go from there. Alright, just watch the anime. Very cool, right? So where's the number 1? Alright, here's the instructions. Alright, these are the things you need to do. So that's, and then this is it there. Yep, that's the manual for you. Quite long, and then bulky as ever. Gunpla. Cool. Look. Ayos ah. So that's pretty much it, guys. So I could say na it's worth it. The quality of the plastic as expected from Bandai. Exceptional quality. Quite good. The stickers, konti lang yung stickers. Parang lang. Basta konti lang, parang kasing liit lang rin ito yung stickers. Hindi ko na nga siya masyado napansin. Pero I think napansin ko siya kanina ng stickers. Alright, guys, so that's pretty much it. Once again, this is the GM3B Master, and it's gonna be, I think it will be really fun to build this in the future. Kasi hindi na ako makapag-antay na mapagtabi ko sila sa display table ko. And yep, I hope na nagustuhan nyo rin, because I can dig this. I dig this. I dig the Gunpla, guys, and it's really cool. Alright, so thank you so much for watching, and you guys have a nice day. Please subscribe, suggest, comment, have feedbacks on the comment box below, so para ma-improve tayo in the future. And good news guys, 2 to 3 months from now, I will have a little bit upgrade sa recording setup natin and all, sa vlogging setup, para hindi kayo mahirapan naman. So thank you so much guys for watching. Hit like if you enjoy this, and once again subscribe, right? Please do support the Pinoy Gampla community. Thank you. Have a nice day.